How baked beans are made. From the farms, drained beans are taken to the beans processing factory where they were first washed to remove dirt and impurities. The beans are then baked in high temperature until they are cooked before taking them in another section where tomato sauce is added that will act as a preservative once in the can. After adding the sauce and mixing well, the beans are taken to another conveyor belt where they packed in tin in different grammage, that is 500 grams, 1 kilogram and 250 grams, and then packed in the cartons ready for sale in the supermarket. Labeling of the cans is also done here where information on ingredients and weightage is indicated for easy selection by the consumers. After packaging of the baked beans cans into the boxes, they are now ready to transport to the superstores. Please I would like you to subscribe to my page and follow me in my Facebook page please. Or reply what you want to see us do better in the comments section.